Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel. This channel is dedicated to WordPress themes and plugins. Hope you all are getting proper and adequate information in my videos. So today I am with a new theme called Marketica. Marketica is a e-commerce and marketplace WooCommerce theme. It was developed by WordPress people are elite authors, and this theme was first released in 2014, so it is an old theme, you can say, and regular updates is also being done. Let us have a look on the demo of Marketica. This is the demo page of Marketica. This is the landing page of Marketica theme, and you can see it has a great look for your upcoming WooCommerce website, and it is featuring all the segments. Like we can go in the home page, if you see, and what is this shop page showcasing the product listings, and it is simple and to the point. If we talk about single product page, this is the page, and the checkout facility and the rest of section has been located in the right column. It is also good and some sort of new look, you can say. Now we can start the installation of Marketica e-commerce and marketplace theme. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2020 theme is installed, and just a moment, I am going to install it. In fact, no theme is installed. Just to have a look, I have installed the 2020 default theme, and this is the scratch website in which I am going to install the Marketica Ecommerce WordPress theme. And let us go step by step. So go to the dashboard, appearance, themes. I must show you the theme pack which I got in the Marketica theme. This is the theme pack which I got. One is documentation, second is parent theme, in which Marketica theme is here, and child theme. Dummy data, again dummy data is full of files and folders. Licensing and rest of things are here. So now add new from WordPress panel, upload theme, browse Marketica, and in the parent theme it is located Marketica WP. And for saving time, I am directly uploading on the server. You can also do the same. WP content, themes, so in this folder we can upload Marketica. So theme is very lightweight, only just 2.17 MB, so it will take less than a minute. Yes, it has been uploaded. Extract the zip file or folder, whatever you say. We got Marketica WP, in which we got the complete theme components. Now we can delete the Marketica zip. We are not going to use it further. Come to the themes, and now we have Marketica as another theme option. Theme details, Marketica WP, the best marketplace theme for WordPress and WooCommerce. So it is version 4.6.6. So activate the Marketica theme, and as soon as you activate, alert screen comes, in which it has been told that we need to install the necessary plugins. So begin installing plugins. So here are the list of plugins, not much, but all three are necessary, required. Marketica add-ons come first, as it seems to be the core plugin. One-click demo import second. Visual page builder, visual composer, as we say. It will direct you to the landing page, maybe, yes, but again come to the begin installing plugin. WooCommerce we will install at last. CMB Metabox library. Classic editor. Force regenerate thumbnails. Don't try to install all the plugins in one go. It may cause error and it will be difficult to detect for you. MailChimp for WordPress. Revolution slider. Now WordPress and its components. So first WooCommerce. And we need to complete the WooCommerce setup once we get it activated. So I'm just putting the sample data. You should put the original one, whatever applicable to you. Select Marketica WP, continue with my active theme here, and no need to install Jetpack for the time being. Yeah, so there is still a plugin that is waiting for install. We will install that also. This one, WooCommerce sample frontend. Okay, So now we have installed all the plugins and theme, and just need to take a look of our website status. This is the website without the demo content, and naturally next comes to the demo content import. Let me locate it for you. Yes, it is in appearance section, import demo data. Click on that, import demo data under appearance. So one click demo import is here. Just hit on the existing setup of your theme. Let us go through it. If you have imported demo content, you don't need demo. Now we can click on the import demo data. It will take a bit time. Don't refresh or leave this page. Okay, you will reach on this screen once demo is finished. So there is 2 warning. We will check it later. As it has been clearly written here, import demo revolution slider for home page and regenerate thumbnail using. Okay, so we will do that. Let us take a look at our website now. Okay, fine. So except slider, everything seems to be here, and the original image has not been given in the demo content, so only placeholder image is here. Definitely we need to upload our own image. After all, we are making our own site, not a demo site, so you have to collect and put your own images along with the content, text content. So now I will upload the slider to complete the import process. So in the dummy data, Marketica revolution dummy is here. So we will import that. Go to the revolution slider, manual import, choose this one. Okay, it is WooCommerce, so this one. It is also a bit time, but not much. You can have patience. One slider is imported, and another we should also import for WooCommerce and all. Now we have imported 2 sliders. Now refresh this page. It should work with slider. Yes, it is fine now. As shown in the demo, we have all the things except the images. Text is here, and the menu, sort menu is here, but menu is working no doubt. Pages, homepage full, homepage box, so homepage full. Let us take a look. Yes, it is a full page look of page, and shop page we can see the cart. cart is empty, and again we can go to the home. Let's take a look of any product, select options. Yes, product page is also working fine. Add to cart. I'll show you the complete internal demo. Yes, cart is working. It is working very fast. In fact, the WooCommerce site does not work so fast without any cache plugin, but it is working. So we have completed the installation and demo import of Marketica. Nothing remains now, and we can just have a look on the theme panel, what has been given for controlling the website. So theme options are here under appearance section. It goes to the general customized section of WordPress. I believe something has been added here. Yes, so site identifier icon, TP, fonts and colors. So font and colors can be managed from here. Theme options, page templates, background menus, widgets, homepage setting, WooCommerce and additional CSS. So not much setting it is required for this website, I assume, and what is required is given here properly, and no extra load of plugins, no extra hip hops. So it is fine, simple and good. So for next or your upcoming website, you can choose this theme without any doubt. It is fast, good in look and working properly fine. So if you have any problem regarding the installation and importing the demo or whatever maybe about this theme, you can write me in the discussion section of this video. I will try definitely to help you out, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes and plugins, useful utilities plugin for you, along with the WordPress tricks and tricks. So that will help you, definitely help you in the website development process and even in maintenance process. Just keep watching, and thanks. Have a nice time.